boosting morale, understanding, raise the spirits. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, raise the spirits. This expression is rich in meaning and widely used in various contexts. So, if you've ever wondered what it means to raise someone's spirits or how to use this phrase effectively, you're in the right place. Raise the spirits refers to the act of improving someone's mood or emotional state. It's about making someone feel happier, more hopeful, or more encouraged, especially if they've been feeling down or discouraged. This phrase can be applied to individuals or groups and is often used in both personal and professional contexts. The phrase, raise the spirits, has a figurative meaning that has evolved over time. Originally, it might have had a more literal or even spiritual connotation, suggesting the idea of lifting the spiritual or ghostly entities. However, in modern usage, it's all about uplifting emotions and morale. Understanding its origins helps us appreciate the depth and richness of the English language and its idiomatic expressions. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday language. After losing the game, the coach gave a motivational speech to raise the spirits of his team. Listening to her favorite music always manages to raise her spirits. Community events are great for raising the spirits of the neighborhood, especially after challenging times. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to denote the action of making someone feel better or more positive. Raising someone's spirits can be done in various ways, such as sharing positive news or uplifting stories, spending quality time with them, offering support and understanding during tough times, engaging in fun or relaxing activities together. These actions can significantly impact someone's mood and overall outlook on life. We hope this video has enlightened you on what it means to raise the spirits, and how you can use this expression in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about conveying feelings and experiences. So, the next time you see someone in need of a mood boost, you'll know exactly what to say and do to raise their spirits. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos on English language learning. See you in the next video.